Okay, let's get started. First, you're going to want to take the white chalk paint and cover the front and the back of the tree. The chalk paint will help cover the plastic so the acrylic paint will adhere. You will want to dry this in between each layer of paint. I chose a brown and a tan color for my tree. I applied my paint in a sideward motion. After you get the tree covered completely, dry it again, and now you're ready to add your highlights. I chose a light cream color. You're going to want to take this around the top edges and across the beading in the center. Dry again, and now you're ready to add the wine corks to the back. You'll need to apply these with hot glue and hold them in place for several minutes so they can dry. After the glue has set and is secure, you can start adding your pine cones, berries, and greenery. After your berries, greenery, and pine cones are secure, you're ready to add your ornaments. I chose the little red truck and the love, peace, and joy signs from the Dollar Tree. And there we have it. 3 adorable farmhouse decorations using Dollar Tree and Big Lots supplies. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and hit the bell. See you next time.